Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. We have a 2011 RAV4 that we're going to show you how to put in the front, middle, and back WeatherTechs. And so this is a pretty simple process, but wanted to walk you through all the details, the supplies and tools. So you will no longer have just the basic carpet. You will have those WeatherTech really nice floor mats. If you always want to, you can throw these back on top of it to give you a little bit extra security and cleaning off your feet a little bit. But we're going to walk through all the tools, the supplies, and the exact know-how on how you can do this on your RAV4 or lots of other vehicles that are similar to this. Here are the tools and the supplies that I used. Both of these are WeatherTech. The bottom one is an LPN 81631-569, and that is the front and middle seats. This does not have rear seats like some of them do, so it just uses the big long piece that is on the top one without some kind of serial number. Sorry about that. I'll try to upload that in the comment section below. You will need a flathead screwdriver, and if it's dirty like mine, you'll need a shot vac. That is all the tools that you will need for this project though. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and remove the covers, and we'll go ahead and vac that out. So for the passenger side, you're going to get the one that doesn't have the holes in there, and you're just going to put this straight down in there, and it really does, as they say, fit like a glove. If you want to go ahead and put back your floor mats, that is definitely an option that you can do. But that will help keep sand, dirt. We live in the north, so snow, all that kind of junk, even the salt, to just really help out. That one was super easy to do. The other side, the driver's side, is a bit more difficult. We'll do that one next. So this is the floor mat for this side. Like I said, it has the holes in it. I'm just gonna set it up over there. And this has a second floor mat on it that I'm just gonna take off real quick so I can show you where those two clips are. And they are both right here. So to remove this, you can simply, it's got nice teeth on the back of it. You can simply bring it and just kind of remove it just like so. Then also, if it has any debris and dirt, you can go ahead and throw that out at this time. You will want to go ahead and vacuum. So now these are the two clips that they will say we will need to remove and put these new clips in. And so it does give you some instructions on removing the old clips. And so I'm really not certain. Oh, they are very similar. In fact, so similar, I'm not even certain if we need to do it, but I'm gonna do it because that's what it tells us to do. So you can just pry up kind of on the side of it here. And as you do pry up on the side, it does pop right out. I will save these in case I ever don't use this. And then these new ones, you're just gonna push right down into the place. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of pushing it in like this. And both of those snapped right in, nice and perfect. I will put it back in the original bag, just in case you do want to save that for later. Go ahead and grab your new cover for the floor. And you'll want to do this side first, then this one second. And that right there will keep that from sliding around. And again, it just fits really, really nicely. They do such a good job with these. That's why we went with this brand. There's some other kind of knockoff brands that work, but WeatherTech seems to be the best. You can throw this back in here if you would like. I think I'm going to, but that's half of the seats done now in just a few moments. So you can go ahead and remove the back seat ones and go ahead and shot vac. Then you can go ahead and get this as one big piece. And these grooves right here that are cut out go this direction. So you can start putting it into place. The little hump will go where the hump in the seat is, or in the floorboard is, I should say. And you just begin to press down, and right there, that is set. If you do want to throw these back in, you most definitely can. And so same concept, those little teeth go right there, and they fit right in on top of that very, very well. Same thing for the other side. So here is the last one. We'll go ahead and vac this one. This is that other box that's the really long one. And so that is all vac'd. You can go ahead and pull this big one out. And this one has been sitting this way a little bit. And here is that item number. It is 40295. And so this one is probably not gonna fit as comfortable as the other ones did because it was rolled up. But you can push it down pretty good. Then I would just, at least at the beginning, I would set your old piece of carpet on it. Let that weight of the carpet kind of hold it down. I'm guessing this has probably sat in this box for a while. This is not a brand new vehicle, so this probably was not just made. It does fit good, but it is curling just a smidgen, but that will help keep everything where it needs to be. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, comment if you do have any questions.